Today I have two questions which are question number 52 and question number 53. The question number 52 is 1 kilogram of air initially at a temperature of 127 degrees centigrade expands reversibly at a constant pressure until the volume is doubled. If the gas constant of air is 287 joule per kilogram Kelvin, the magnitude of work transfer is dash kilojoule round off to two decimal places. And the question number 53 is for an ideal Rankine cycle operating between pressure of 30 bar and 0.04 bar, the work output from the turbine is 903 kilojoule per kg and the work input to the feed pump is 3 kilojoule per kg. The specific steam consumption is dash kilogram per kilowatt hour round off to two decimal places. We are going to solve this question. This is a reversible expansion process in which air expands at a temperature T1 is equal to 127 degree centigrade till the volume is doubled. Okay, the final volume of the air is doubled. Okay, and pressure is constant throughout the process. Okay, this expansion process is taking place at constant pressure. Okay, and this is the gas constant for air, which is equal to 287 joule per kilogram Kelvin, and we have to find out the work transferred in this process. So this is a closed system process. So in closed system process, the work transfer W is equal to P1 dV or P2 dV. Okay, dV is the change in volume and P1 and P2 are the pressures, and as given in the question, P1 is equal to P2. So this is our equation first. Now air can be treated as a ideal gas. So for ideal gas equation, for an ideal gas, we are having ideal gas equation as PV बराबर MRT and M is given as 1 kilogram. Okay, M is given as 1 kilogram. So PV is equal to MRT or P1 V1 is equal to MRT1. Okay, so from here V1 will be equal to MRT1 upon P1. Okay, which is equal to M is 1 kilogram, R 287 and T1 is 127 converting it into Kelvin 273. Okay, upon P1 is same. Okay, so V1 will be equal to 114,800 upon P1 meter cube. Okay, or V2 will be equal to V1. Okay, now from equation 1, W is equal to P1 D1, or it can be written as P1 V2 minus V1. Okay, or P1 V2 is 2V1 minus of V1, or it will be equal to P1 V1. P1 is same and V1 is 114,800 upon P1. P1 will be cancelled out. The remaining term is 114,800. This is the work and this is in joule. Okay, or W is equal to 114.8 kilojoule. Okay, this is the our answer. And as per get answer key, the answer of this question was given as 114.6 to 115.0 kilojoule. So our answer is a correct answer. Now we will solve another question, that is question number 53. In question number 53, there is Rankine cycle which is operating at initial pressure 30 bar and final pressure 0.04 bar, and turbine work and pump work are given to us in the question. Okay, and we have to find the specific steam consumption. That is how much kilogram steam is consuming per kilowatt hours. So the formula of specific steam consumption is 3600 upon work output. Okay, or 3600 upon work output will be equal to turbine work minus pump work. Okay, 3600 divided by turbine work, we are having as 903 kilojoule per kg, and pump work is 3 kilojoule per kg, which is equal to 3600 upon 900. So this will be equal to 4 kilogram per kilowatt hours. So specific steam consumption is 4 kilogram per kilowatt hours. So this is the our answer. If we talk of about get answer key, the answer of this question is 3.982 to 4.02 kilogram per kilowatt hours. Okay, thanks for watching. For more videos, like, comment and share the videos.